Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping costs on your Squarespace website. This is essential if you're running an online store and need to charge customers for delivery based on different rates and regions. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and settings. Once you're on the home page, browse through your websites and find the one where you want to add shipping costs. Click on it to open the site editor. This gives you access to all the customization and configuration options for that specific site. Now look over to the left side menu and scroll down to the lower part. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings panel. Go ahead and click on this icon to open up your website settings. This is where you'll find all the back-end tools for managing your site's functionality. In the left side menu within settings, click on selling. This section contains all the tools related to e-commerce, payments, and order management. After clicking on selling, find and click on shipping. This is where you'll configure how shipping costs are calculated and displayed to your customers. Next, click on add shipping option. You'll be presented with several choices like flat rate, weight-based, or carrier calculated. Each option has its own advantages depending on your business model. Flat rate is simple and consistent, weight-based adjusts according to product weight, and carrier calculated uses real-time rates from shipping providers. For this tutorial, we're going to use flat rate, so go ahead and click on it. Now we're going to set it up. Let's start by adding a shipping name. Type something clear like shipping rate so your customers know exactly what they're being charged for. This name will appear during checkout. Next, under Set Shipping Rate, you'll see options to set a price for per order fee and per item fee. The per order fee is a flat charge applied once per order, while the per item fee is multiplied by the number of items in the cart. Set these amounts based on your shipping costs and business needs. You can also add a handling fee if you want to cover packaging or processing costs. Simply enter the amount in the handling fee field. Finally, select the regions you will ship to. This could be specific countries, states, or worldwide. Squarespace lets you customize shipping rates by location, so make sure you select the areas that match your shipping capabilities. Once everything is configured, click Save in the upper right corner. Your shipping option is now live and will be applied to customer orders based on the parameters you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.